Now these are better views today. I'm hoping that the tail end of that hurricane has actually gone past us now, but lovely place over there. I don't think half the places up here actually have people walking them. Just stopped off at Kailasku Village, just down from the bridge. Absolutely spectacular views. Stopped raining as well, so thought we'd get out and make the most out of it. Smile! And you come round the corner to this. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. To the left there you can see views there, so we're climbing up now.
Knew this track was worth the views. Gonna be a rough one though.
It's gonna be a long one, I know that. Well, that is a view.
First sign of deer on the west coast. A whole bunch of them just sitting there grazing. Quite good sizes them as well actually.
We're now visiting Achnasheen Waterfalls, just at the beach at the moment. Where the directions take you. You can't park, so you can park there. And walk up here. It's just a 10-minute walk behind them houses. There's the falls in front of us. There's two routes to take, and I obviously want to take the dangerous route. Talk about views. Absolutely stunning, them peaks hiding in the clouds. So clear, that sand. Well, we'll be over to Hermit's Castle too and have a look at that. A little bit of history on it. A guy had built it. Walls are so thick it's dead tight to get into when you realise it was that cold. Didn't want to stay in it. Bit of a wasted thing, but a nice little feature to see. You wouldn't think this was in Scotland. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, we can't stop taking pictures. Hermit's Castle, you wouldn't believe how small this is. I mean, there's Sean standing next to it. And can't be right that someone tried to live in here. See if I can get inside. Of course. Someone's been living there. Kettle, clothes, a lot. Must be brass inside of there. So what is it? Keen like. Just stopped off at Castle as well. You can just get over there by a bit of sand. Not much to see. So this is tonight's pitch in Knocken Crag Nature Reserve. It is free when you come in, and then you'll realise on here you can put a donation in. They do recommend £10 a night, so I will be doing that. The toilet facilities are really clean. The well kept place. Look, I mean, look at the pitch, man. Look at the views you get in here. Absolutely stunning. So not bad for £10 a night. It's nice to donate to places like this. It keeps them open. If not, we'll be paying for them all. There was a few little laybys up there as well, which I would have stayed in if this was too busy. Nice little viewpoint up there. But yeah, you can't beat that, can you? Just thought we'll pop away to get some signal to update our social media. What we seen? Right at our spot. Go on then.
On your way, sir.
I did hear on tonight's pitch, the park for a night. They did say there was deer making noises. No wonder. There's a big herd of them over there. There he is. Been ripping the trees to bits. Chicken sizzler burrito wraps tonight. On the wine already too. I'm starving. Now you cannot beat this. Look at the view out there. Absolutely cracking view to be having your tea and staying over here tonight. Just outside our van door.
They're watching.
There's 3 of them.
There's loads of them.
Oh, there's more over there, yeah.
Look, I'm just watching.
And there's another one. There's the one behind the tree.
They're all looking at it.
Amazing. It's crazy the wildlife up here. Absolutely crazy. Just there. Might need me tyres tonight, I'll see. So we're getting up to another pissing down, foggy, horrible day, and you can't see now either. So we've came to Stack Polide. See through there. That's what it should look like, and that's what it looks like. We've also been to the Bone Caves. In the Bone Caves, it was the same. 4-kilometre walk. We're not walking that in this. It's horrible weather.
This is the worst day, isn't it?
No, this has been the worst day for us. So we're going to have a bit dot about. Hopefully find a chemist now because I'm getting an infection on my eyelid there, which is going to pop by the looks of it. I've got Ullapool, stopping there for some dinner.
Got a bit much around.
A bit much around, got some other stuff. Shauna wants to find us a bag. And some other bits. Hopefully get some little souvenirs to remind us of our trip. To stick in the van, probably take home as well.
Some rain.
Get a couple of rain or something. Sell them on eBay. But I won't have a drive back now anyway. Have a bit dot about. Look at the other places. Hopefully this blows over. It should do.
It's meant to this afternoon.
It's meant to by this afternoon. And we'll stay in a Badrallach campsite tonight. Another one with some facilities. Last night was mint with the deer and everything around us. It was class. It was only us there too. So we've just arrived in Ullapool. Just went to Tesco's, a few little bits and that we needed. Some dinner and stuff like that. Now on my way down to the main street. I get some food from down there. There's a lot of fish shops. Sean's just seen someone with a fish wrap. It looked nice.
Nice haddock.
As you can see, the weather's still crap. Should I make the most out of it? See the outlines of the hills there. Yeah, you should get on with it. At the end of the day, it's Scotland. Nothing's going to change. We just haven't wandered up the Kailasku Gorge. If you type it in, you'll see some of the fantastic pictures you can get of it. Suspension bridge. There's a waterfalls, also a platform you can stand on. I've got the drone with us, see if I can get some footage and chuck it in too. As Shauna said, these are the views that you've been missing. Still like hiding a little bit, but yeah, stunning. Look at that little head. So we're at Badrallach campsite. Nice little place, well tucked out of the way. Lots of deer on the way here, as you've seen. The facilities are cracking. Showers are red hot. Nice and clean with the toilets. There's only a few small spaces. I think they've got 5 electric pitches or 4 electric pitches, and the rest just wherever you want to camp. I'll show you what's out our door. Another cracking pitch on the NC 500. You can't complain at that. £15 for the night. You can't beat it. You've got water, anything you need. So an ideal nice little spot, and when we come back we'll be literally coming out of this road all the way back through the miles over, as you can see over there. On that side there's the lock. We'll be travelling on the other side of that. Cracking, absolutely cracking view. I feel sorry for him and that OEX. That's underneath that top. Oh. You're enjoying it, aren't you? Spying on. He's loving it up here. This is tonight's pitch. Got my towels drying on the van there. See the lock over there. Absolutely stunning around here. There's the showers up there. The toilets and the kitchen that we use. Absolutely beautiful, that waterfall. It's time to get some dinner anyway. She'll say tea. So this is the bothy that's at the top of the campsite. Good map on the wall there. Literally has got everything in here. Log burner. Plenty of stuff upstairs for storage. I don't know if they're bottles of whiskey or just boxes of ice. The beds, the bunks. Kitchen area is great. People have left a lot of stuff here. Nice campsite to stay at. I think you've got to pay for this bothy obviously, or donations as it says on the front. I'll have to have a check. There's different prices which are pennies, but yeah, absolutely cracking bothy. Obviously not like your mountain bothies. Carbon monoxide alarm, a fire alarm. It's even got blinds there. Really good little setup. Badrallach campsite in Bothy. So good morning from us, we're all packed up ready to go. We've got a few things to do today. We've got our Falls, which you'll have seen earlier in the vlog, which is over there. So Sean will show you where we are now.
And this is where we camped last night.
And so that's the route we're doing now, as you can see where her finger is to the left of it.
We're going to come back down and then back onto the road. That's where our Falls is. And then we've got all these viewpoints all the way around. Hopefully see some dolphins over here. That'd be great.
Yeah. So
but
it's
yeah,
a
lots
steady
of
day, taking our time. Then we're going to stop in that lay-by where it says lay-by.
Yep.
Or somewhere around there we'll have a look.
We'll have a nice view of Ben Egg.
Yep, so back down the road, then back over the other side of the loch to go over there to the falls, and then we're going to go around that mountain that's there, around to the other side. There's some quite good mountains over there. So I'll see you when I get over there. You've got the views coming back from the campsite. You've definitely got to do the NC 500 both ways, as the views are totally different from each direction, as we found out yesterday. Yeah, that's where we're going, straight over there, as you can see the waterfall. So you've got the Isle U or U, which you want to call it over there. The mountains over there. We stayed just down there. Another viewpoint, absolutely spectacular views up here. As you can see, them hills and mountains. I'm looking forward to seeing them. So many stops on this route today for us to see. Viewpoints today. Looking at the bays and beaches. See the cloud cover and the ones in the background. Another waterfall. This one is Victoria Waterfalls. It's like 3 waterfalls in one. We'll show you some better views, but the weather's came in again. You would think you're in Swiss Alps or something here. This is where we're staying for tonight. Have a look at this. Now that's a canny view, mind. Yeah, that's it. This is tonight's pitch. A little bit of a viewpoint. I'll bring you down to where it is. It's got some bins over there too. Of course it's free. Wild camping every other night for us. That's why it's cost us so little. Yeah, we'll go with a little bit of information on it. That's where we are on the point now. Scale up viewpoint. This isn't a bad view to be having your tea with.